In this video, we'll cover 4 topics, that is, what is a capacitor, capacitance, its formula, and the phasor diagram. So now let's see what is a capacitor. So it is an electric component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. And what is the value of a capacitor? The value of a capacitor is capacitance, and this capacitance is denoted by letter C. This is the basic idea of the definition that we need to have. Now, let us see what is the unit of this capacitance. The unit of capacitance is Farad, F-A-R-A-D, and this Farad is denoted by letter F. And the symbol of capacitance is, this will be my symbol of capacitance. Keep in mind that these two lines will be equal. Don't mistake it with the symbol of battery. A battery symbol has one big line and followed by one small line. This is the symbol of a battery. Whereas capacitance will have both equal lines. And now the formula of this particular concept will be C is equal to Q by V, where Q is total charge, V is voltage, and C is capacity. Now, we can also derive Q from this particular formula. How we can derive is Q is equal to C into V. These are the two formulas you need to keep in mind. Okay, now let's see the power equation of related with this capacitance, and also let us see the formula of energy stored. So the energy stored formula will be half CV square, and this is the formula of energy stored by a capacitor. Now let's see the power equation in capacitance concept. So we already know that power is equal to product of its voltage and current. Power is equal to V into I. And this is the formula we have in this concept. I is equal to C into dV by dt. So what we'll do now to derive the power equation, we'll substitute this particular I is equal to C into dV by dt in this equation. So substitute చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు మనకి P is equal to V into I plus లో C into dV by dt ని substitute చేస్తాం. C into dV by dt. So we'll get P is equal to Vc dV by dt, and this particular power is measured in terms of watts kabatti we write watts here. So power equation formula P is equal to Vc dV by dt. This is the equation of power. Now let's see the phasor diagram. So this is the phasor diagram. ఈ phasor diagramలో మనకి theta is equal to 90 degrees ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఉన్న మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఇండక్టెన్స్లో మనకి వోల్టేజ్ ఏమో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద టాప్ పార్ట్, బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ వోల్టేజ్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద బాటమ్ పార్ట్. That is the only difference we have, but theta will be same. Theta is 90 degrees. So we say that voltage lags the current by 90 degrees. అదే ఇండక్టెన్స్లో అంటే ఏం చెప్తాము, వోల్టేజ్ టాప్ పార్ట్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి we say voltage leads the current by 90 degrees. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి voltage lags the current by 90 degrees అని చెప్తాం. So this is the passive elements concept. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'll clarify it, and thank you for watching.